Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Shortcuts app is updated and has permission to access files, photos, and scripting. Next, create a new shortcut and immediately add the primary actions you'll edit. Get file or photo and run script or quick look. Once done, name and expose key variables, input, output, temp folder, so you can reuse them. This step establishes the pipeline and prevents rework. Make sure to test with a small sample file before expanding the workflow. Now assemble the middle of the flow. Chain get file into the editing action, resize image, apply filter, or run JavaScript for media, and finish with save file or share. Use if blocks and repeat to handle conditional changes and batch processing, because that keeps the shortcut reliable for mixed inputs. Insert quick look or wait actions to pause and inspect results mid-flow. Once the sequence runs cleanly on a test set, refine variables and add comments so you, or anyone else, can understand the logic. Complete the shortcut by adding final save steps, naming conventions, and notifications on success or failure so you know outcomes immediately. Make sure to optimize. Remove unused actions, compress large files, and use caching variables to speed repeated runs. If something breaks, check the quick look previews and logs, then add an if fallback or a retry loop for flaky network steps. One key troubleshooting tip: enable step-by-step mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.